Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have credentials and a target list, so begin by enabling SNMP or NetFlow on your core router and any edge devices. This gives you flow-level visibility quickly. Next, install a collector on a server or cloud VM and configure community strings or keys. Use secure credentials and limit access. Once done, point the collector at each device and verify communication. This step creates the telemetry stream you will analyze and prevents blind spots later in the process. With flows arriving, build dashboards that show interface throughput, top talkers, and protocol breakdowns. This helps you see what consumes bandwidth and when. Then create baselines over a week or month so anomalies stand out. Compare peak and average to detect unusual spikes. After that, drill into offending hosts and ports to identify specific applications, export PCAP, or use DPI if needed. Make sure to tag devices and apply filters so you can isolate traffic sources quickly when patterns change. Now finalize by setting alerts for sustained bandwidth thresholds and anomalous increases so you and stakeholders get immediate notification. Schedule daily or weekly reports that show trends and top consumers and archive metrics for capacity planning. This ensures you can justify changes and forecast growth. When an incident occurs, apply mitigation, temporary rate limits, co-S rules, or targeted blocks. Then plan permanent fixes like policy changes or capacity upgrades. If alerts flood, check filters and SNMP/flow sampling rates as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.